In the corner of this little cafe where the world outside fades away, we sip the warmth, we drown the cold with every drop. Stories unfold, life's a melody, we brew it slow. OD masters where the heart finds peace. In every cup we pour our dreams release. The steam is rising, but we stay grounded. In every sip our souls are surrounded. Conversations flow like the river's path. Thoughts intertwined, we linger and laugh. Pondering life with our coffee close by. In this little haven where the time flies high. Take a pause, let the world unfold. OD masters where the heart finds peace. In every cup we pour our dreams release. The steam is rising, but we stay grounded. In every sip our souls are surrounded. OD masters where the heart finds peace. In every cup we pour our dreams release. The steam is rising, but we stay grounded. In every sip our souls are surrounded.